7, but I was playing chess. Bad luck. I lost the game in the last 50 seconds. Just because of my यही गलती होती है एग्जाम में, बहुत हल्की सी गलती चूक गया मैं. And this may happen with you. चलिए, anyway. So guys, welcome all of you. I am Aditya Arya, faculty of JEE Mains and Advanced, and along with that Olympiad. And I am teaching since last 6 years, and in the 6 years it was a amazing journey for me. I love teaching and I love maths, and I'll be giving you insights for this chapter also. So make sure, if you wanted to have more video, hit the like, share and subscribe button. So let's start with the first question without any delay. So alright, so first question, it's a very interesting question, guys. First question is, if you're watching it later, make sure that you are not just watching the video. You have to attempt the question. You can pause the video if you're watching it later. But if you're watching it live, guys, you can use your brain along with me, what we can do. So the question is A cross. I hope my screen is visible. Let me check. Let me verify whether I'm audible or not. Let me close this. Just give me 1 minute now, then we will start. Session start at 7:20. Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah, I'm properly audible. Chali guys, so question is A vector is given. Just give me 1 minute now, then we will start. Okay, question is A vector is given and V vector is given. So see, this question can be solved in 3 ways, but I will be giving you the smart way. Your task is to figure out the other 2 ways, which are basic ways. Okay, so here we are having A vector, we can have the magnitude. We are having B vector, we can have the magnitude. And now here they are saying that the vector R satisfying, the condition is A cross R vector is equal to A cross B. Okay. Now, one way says, okay, let's directly take the cross product. Let's assume R vector is xi plus yj plus zk, and take a cross product both the sides and compare the terms. You will be having 3 equations, 3 variable. You will be done with this. But the question arises, is there any shorter way of this? Right. See, here we just have to calculate R vector magnitude. What is given is this, and what else is given? A dot R vector is equals to 0, which gives us information that A vector is perpendicular to R vector. So guys, I am going to apply mod sign both the sides and take a square both the sides. So this was given. I have taken modulus. So if 2 vectors are equal, their modulus is also equal, their magnitude is also equal, and the square of magnitude then will also be equal. Okay. Now what this will be? It will be A vector magnitude square, since there is an outside square, R vector magnitude square multiply sine theta square. But what is theta over here is 90 degree, right? So here it will be sine square 90 degrees is equals to, now A cross B is magnitude of A vector square magnitude of B vector square cos theta. We do not know cos theta. No problem, guys. There is nothing to worry about. What we are going to do, I am going to write in cos square theta as 1 minus sine square theta. So magnitude of A square, magnitude of B square, multiply 1 minus sine square. When you will open this, you will be having this. Okay, sorry, my bad. When we are having cross multiplication, keep in mind that this is not cos, this is sine. The sine square theta. Okay, now you can write down this as magnitude of A square, magnitude of B square, and in place of sine square you can write in 1 minus cos square. So when you will multiply this whole thing, you will be having magnitude of A square, magnitude of B square into 1 minus magnitude of A square into magnitude of B square into cos square theta. And what this is, so from here sine square 90 is 1. What is the magnitude of A square? That will be calculated, but as of now just write down magnitude of A square into magnitude of R square is equal to magnitude of A square into magnitude of B square. Now this part can be written as A dot B whole square, and we are done. This is amazing technique, guys. So I am going to use this. Other way of doing it is get the cross product, do the cross product and get the answer. Okay, do the cross product and get the answer, but I believe this is a lengthy, that is a lengthy way. Now, what is the magnitude of A? Let's find out from here. Magnitude of A is equals to, or directly square is equals to x component square plus y, or which we can call as direction ratio square. So 2 square plus minus 3 whole square, which is equals to 9 plus 4, 13 plus 1, 14. And similar way, I will be calculating magnitude of B square. Okay, so what is magnitude of B square? Let me write down it over here. Magnitude of B square is equals to 2 square plus 1 square plus minus 1 square, which is equal to 4 plus 5 plus 6. Right? That's what we are having. Now, magnitude of A square is 14. So this is 14 multiply magnitude of R whole square is equals to 14 into this. We have got as 6. And what is A dot B? It's multiplication of direction ratios. So multiplication of x direction ratio. So 1 into 2 is 2. Simple. If you do not know A dot B, guys, it's multiplication of their x components plus multiplication of y component plus multiplication of z component. It's that easy. Okay, so that's what I'm doing over here, guys. So what we are going to have, this is 1, this is 2. So 2 into 1, 2. This is 2, this is 1. So 2 into 1 is equal to 2. I hope this multiplication is easy. So we are having now 2 plus 2. Okay, now we are having over here as what we are having, minus 3 into minus 1 is equals to 3, right? So we are going to have 3 over here and done. We are done with this question. We are having 14 magnitude of R whole square is equals to 84 minus what we are going to have over here. A simple mistake that we have done. These things we have to keep in mind. So 2 plus 2, 4 plus 3, 7 square is 49. And guys, this will be what? This will be, this is equals to 35 by 14 and this will be equals to 5 by 2 and correct answer is root of 5 by 2. Here, the technique that we have to learn is this. As I told you, if you cannot think this on real time, it's completely fine. But what we can do in the real time, take R as xi plus yj plus zk and take the cross product. That is the other way. I want you to solve and let me know how much time you have taken to solve this question by that method. This is having 3 approaches. So I am giving you 1 approach, rest 2 you have to figure out. Let's come to the next question on tetrahedron. Anyone knows what is the area of tetrahedron? Anyone knows? Let me know in the comment box or chat box. What is the area of the tetrahedron? If we are having 3 sides of the base, then area of the tetrahedron is 1 by 6 scalar triple product ABC, where ABC are 3 sides. Okay, these 3 sides, A vector, B vector and C vector. Alright, but apart from knowing this formula, in this question they are just asking the tetrahedron has vertices OAB, 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 and there is another side or plane ABC. Now, what will be the angle between these 2 surfaces? Answer is very simple. Angle between 2 surfaces is angle between, not exactly, because if the angle between surface is theta, then angle between their normals is 180 minus theta. But what we can do? We can directly say the cosine part, cos of theta mod is equal to cos of 180 minus theta. Right? So all you have to do, get the angle between their normals. So what we have to do, guys? This OA and OB, we are having O, we are having A, we are having B. Check. Yes, OAB. So what I'm going to do, calculate OA vector. What is OA vector? O is 0, 0, 0 and A is 1, 2, 1. Now what is OA vector, mere bhai? It's 1 minus 0. It's 1 minus 0. So I cap. It's 2 minus 0. So it's 2j cap. It's 1 minus 0. It's k cap. This is OA vector. Now what is OB vector? So what is B coordinate? It's 2, 1, 3. Okay, this is 2, 1, 3. So what we have to do? This is zeros. See how easy this is. Vector is a chapter that you have to do because this is scoreable. 2 minus 0 is 2 I cap. 1 minus 0 is j cap, and 3 minus 0 is 3k cap. Alright guys, so we are having OA vector, OB vector. Now if you want to get the normal of a surface, it's very easy. Take cross product of two vectors on it. So we can say first normal vector is equal to OA vector cross OB vector. Alright, so this is equals to, how we will take cross, I have told you in this video. I will cover all the concepts through important questions, so you do not have to watch one shot. Okay, you do not have to watch one shot to do concepts. Just do this session, share this with your friends, and they will feel that all the concepts has been covered, including scalar, triple, cross product, dot product, everything. Now what is OA vector? OA vector is 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 1. What is OB vector? 2, 1, 3. 2, 1, 3. Now how to take cross product, guys? I am not expecting that you know it. But see, answer will be written how? I cap multiply something minus j cap multiply something. What that something we'll figure out. Plus k cap multiply something. Abhi something, what is that something? When we are calculating for I cap, remove the row and column of I cap and multiply. 2 into 3, 6 minus 5 into 1, 1. So what we are having, this is 5 I cap. Same way, the way we have done this, same way you have to calculate. Okay. Now same way, when we are calculating for j cap, so delete the row and column for j cap. Now 1 into 3, 3 minus 2 into 1, 2. So 3 minus 2, 1, 1 into minus j is minus j cap. Okay, easy. Okay, now over here, give me a second. So guys, if you are coming over here, make sure you hit the subscribe button. It's very important for me as well as for you, because I don't want you miss the updates of the upcoming session. This whole month we are going to have important question sessions. So OB was 2, 1, 3. Okay, I want you to at least crack 95 percentile. यार इतना तो बनता है ना मेरे भाई. चलो, now what for k? Delete the row and column for k. So 1 into 1, 1 minus 2 into 2, 4. So this will be minus 3k cap. We have got normal of the first surface. We have to calculate the normal of the second surface. Now what is second surface? Second surface is ABC. So I have to calculate AB vector and AC vector. What was A? A is 1, 2, 1. And what was B? B is 2, 1, 3. Okay, B is 2, 1, 3. All you have to do is subtract their x coordinate. So x2 minus x1. xb minus xa is 2 minus 1, 1 I cap. xyv minus ya, so 1 minus 2 minus j cap. And zb minus za is 3 minus 1, 2 k cap. Simple, simple. Now AC vector, what is A? A was 1, 2, 1, and C was, what is C? C is minus 1 plus 1 and 2, minus 1 plus 1 and 2, minus 1 plus 1 and 2. Now same way you can calculate. Minus 1 minus of minus 1, minus of 1 is minus 2 I cap. 1 minus 2 is minus j cap. 2 minus 1 is k cap. You have to be very cautious about the calculation in this chapter. एक ही गलती होगी तुमसे, calculation में ऊपर नीचे गड़बड़ हो जाएगा तुमसे. So make sure that you are having command on it and you have to practice on it. Now what is a normal vector? Normal vector 2 is equals to same I, j and k. Okay, so now what you will do? 1 minus 1 and 2, minus 2 minus 1 and 1. Now calculate this one. I am calculating directly now, but you have to do it by yourself. So block I cap minus 1 and plus 2. So 2 minus 1 is I cap. Okay, this is what we are. For j cap, 1 minus or minus 4, 5. So minus 5 j cap. Okay, that's it. For k cap, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 k cap. That's what we are going to have. I have done it directly. I want you to do practice on it so that you will become quick. Now, we are saying that we need to calculate the cos. So, answer is cos theta is equals to mod of n1 dot n2 divided by n1 vector magnitude multiply n2 vector magnitude. Okay. Now, what is n1 dot n2? Just now I have told you, it's multiplication of x component plus multiplication of y component plus multiplication of z component. Okay, so what we will have? It's, you can see here 5. 5 multiply 1. So, it's 5 plus. Now, here it's minus 5 y component. Minus 5 into minus 1 is 5. Now, this is minus 3 z component. Minus 3 into minus 3 is plus 9. Okay, divided by root over of magnitude of n1 and n2. What is the magnitude of n2 vector? Simply, I have also discussed this in the first question. So, 1 square plus minus 5 square is 25 plus minus 9 square is 3 square is 9. So, this is guys 35. So, root 35 multiply, and what we are having over here is n1 vector magnitude is equals to 5 square is 25 plus minus 1 square is 1 and minus 3 square is 9. Again we are having root 35. Done. Root 35, and this is cos theta. So, cos theta is equals to, now there is no need to apply mod. Okay. Keep it up, bro. Love your chess stream. Thank you so much, Influenza. What's your name and what grade you are, from where you are? Please love. I will love to know this thing. So 5 plus 5 is 10 plus 19 by 35, and answer is cos inverse 19 by 35 is our answer. That's all. So you see, in every question, by the end of this session, you will see that you have covered all the concepts of this chapter. There will be no concept out of the syllabus. Okay? This is very interesting question. I love this question. So let's attempt this one. Okay, I may be going very fast, but if you are able to understand, that means you are having very good command. And if you are not able to understand, you can rewind and watch. That's what you can do. I love this particular video. So, D vector is equals to lambda A vector plus mu B vector. See, I have covered these questions by analyzing what they have asked in the past 5-6 years, what they have asked. Now, I have to I have to get the value of lambda, that's what they have asked. So, I have to eliminate these two. Now, how I can eliminate these two? By multiplying something such that this portion becomes 0. B multiplies something will become 0 only if when B is getting multiplied with its normal vector. What is a normal of B and normal of C at the same time is B cross C. Done. Correct. So, I am going to take a dot product with D dot B cross C is equals to lambda times of A vector dot B cross C. Okay. Plus mu times of B vector dot B cross C. Now, B cross C is this. Sorry, if this is B, this is C, this is B cross C. And dot product of B, this is B, this is C. B cross C is this black pen perpendicular to B. So, dot product of two perpendicular vectors is 0. That's all. Same way, gamma C dot B cross C. Now, you have seen this is B, this is C, and this is B cross C black pen. And this C vector and this B cross C is perpendicular to each other. Hence, this becomes 0. Hence, this becomes 0. Now, scalar product. What is scalar triple product? You can write down this as DBC. Don't worry. I will quickly explain the scalar triple product is equal to lambda times of ABC. That easy it is. See, that easy it is to write down. Now, what is lambda? Lambda is equals to D vector, B vector, C vector upon A vector, B vector, C vector. I guess option C is there, DBC upon ABC. DVC upon AVC, yes, option C. Okay, now those who are confused, ki, sir, I am getting confused every time about this scalar triple product. Very simple. See, write down A vector, B vector, C vector in this format. Now this is equals to, start with A, cycling, dot the other two. Now if you are starting with B, dot, what comes next? C. Cross, after C, you are going in a cycle with A. If you are starting with C, dot, what comes after C in the cycle? A. And then after A, take a cross product with B. Simple. Okay, that's so easy. Alright. So this is your scalar triple product. Scalar triple product. Alright, now I will also explain you vector triple product quickly. So now this question, we are having a question of vector triple product also. Okay. Now this one. Now they are asking the bisector, a vector along the bisector. Now first of all, what is the angle bisector? Directly formula, angle bisector of A vector and B vector. Write down this formula, it's magnitude of B into A vector. It's like section formula, you see, into magnitude of A vector into B vector upon A vector plus B vector. Why I'm saying this looks like a section formula? It's like MA plus NB upon M plus N. See, exactly same section formula thing. So this is direct formula that you have to keep in mind. Now what we are having is A vector. What is A vector? A vector is 7i minus 4j minus 4k. Yeah, minus 4k. What is the magnitude of A? A is under root of 7 square 49, minus 4 square is 16, minus 4 square is 16. This is equals to 9. 16 plus 16, 32, 32 plus 49 is 81, root 81 is equals to 9. Now what is B vector? B vector is equals to 2 minus 2i minus j plus 2k, minus 2i minus j plus 2k. Right, let me cross verify. This thing you have to cross verify in examination also. Now what is the modulus of B vector? It's under root of minus 2 square is 4, minus 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4. This is equals to root 9 is equal to 3. Okay, now what is the angle bisector? Let's call it angle bisector vector. Let's call it C. Okay, C vector is angle bisector is equals to magnitude of B multiply A vector, which is 7i minus 4j minus 4k, plus modulus of A vector, which is 9 multiply B vector minus 2i minus j plus 2k divided by magnitude of A and magnitude of B. But this is the angle bisector of A and B. But guys, the question is not, they are asking get the vector which is along angle bisector and I have the magnitude 3 root 6. So I have also covered this concept so that you can understand how to get a vector along another vector. So as I am saying, I have covered all the concepts which you need to know in vector algebra. You do not need to watch any other one shot. I am claiming this. Okay, now this is C vector is angle bisector. Solve it. 7 into 3, 21. 9 into minus 2, 18. 21 minus 18 is 3i cap. 3 into minus 4 minus 12. 9 into this is minus 9. So minus 12 minus 9 is minus 21 j cap. Okay, I may be a bit fast, but you have to cover the speed along with me. I have to cover a lot. 3 into minus 4 is minus 12. 9 into 2 is 18. 18 minus 12 is 6. You guys can correct me if I will have any calculation error. Divide by 9 plus 3 is 12. So if you will solve this, you will be having C vector is equals to I cap minus 7j plus what we are having, we are dividing by 3, 2k cap, divide by 4. Now, if you wanted a vector which is of the magnitude 3 root 6 and along C vector, all you have to do, multiply its magnitude with this unit vector of C. That's how you will get a vector along C vector. So multiplication of R vector's magnitude multiply the unit vector of a vector along which we are calculating the R vector. समझ में आया? So what is this? 3 root 6 multiply I cap minus 7j plus 2k divide by 4. This is C vector. Now divide by magnitude of C. What is magnitude of C? You calculate. It's root over of 1 square. 4 will come automatically, okay. So 1 square 1 plus 49 plus 4. This is root 54 by 4. Now root 54 is 9 into 6. So 3 root 6 by 4. Okay. This is 3 root 6. So divide by magnitude of C is 3 root 6 by 4. You see, this cancel with this, and final answer is minus 7i minus 7j plus 2k vector, and hence we are having an answer. I hope this is clear. If it is not clear, I will suggest you save this video, save this link, share this with friends, and watch it, rewind, share it together, watch it together. That's how you can do. Because I am making a big claim, guys. After watching this video, you do not need any other one shot. It covers all single concepts in just one single video, along with important questions. So we are having the answer, option number A, I minus 7j plus 2k. I minus 7j plus 2k. Okay. Now, question number 5. This is very important. And then 6th one is also very important. Every question is important. The session name is Important Video Lectures. Okay. And at this moment, you should not just cover the concept. You should also cover the important questions, which covers most of the concepts. Alright. Let's focus over here. Now they are saying we are having two diagonals of the face, and kiska likha nahi, isme parallelepiped. This is a parallelepiped. Okay. Now guys, I will write down two things over here. First is area of parallelogram, area of quadrilateral. Area of quadrilateral is equals to 1 by 2 modulus of d1 cross d2 vector. Area of quadrilateral is multiplication of its diagonal, cross multiplication of its diagonal. Very important. Area of parallelepiped is equals to, is equals to A vector, B vector, C vector, where ABC are edges. These are three different edges. But let's suppose you are not having, the edges like in this question. So area of parallelepiped, area of parallelepiped. This is very important, guys. You need to know these formula. Area of parallelepiped. Let's suppose they haven't given the edges. Then what we will do? Simply 1 by 2 multiply. This is A vector, D1 and D2. Pass. That's all you need to make a change. Okay. So here ABC are edges. Here A is an edge. And D1, D2 are diagonals. Diagonals which does not include the given edge. Which does not include A vector. Okay. This does not include the edge A. Okay. So now over here you are having the formula, get the answer. It's 1 by 2 into, what is this? It's A dot D1 cross D2. Simple. It's A dot D1 cross D2. Okay. Alright. So let's figure this out. Okay. Let me just, yeah, correct. Perfectly fine. This is we will be having the cos part. Yeah, we will be having the cos part. Perfectly correct. I want you to solve by yourself and solve by yourself and answer in comment section. That's your work. I will give a thumbs up or heart those who will give the correct answer. I am giving the concept now. Now next question. Now 6th question is a question having vector triple product. Okay. So I'm running out of the time. So whatever question I will not do, I want you to do it. If you are not able to do it, if you will say, sir, please explain this, I will make another short video, but I want you to do it. Now this is vector triple product. Now very easy to memorize. A cross B cross C. First let's understand this is equal to, first of all, write down both of them in the same sequence. B vector multiply something or dot with something minus something dot with C vector. Same sequence, B and C. Now A, since we are writing B over here, and A need to come in both the case. A. Okay. Now A with C, what is the remaining? C part. Alright, there is no need of dot over here. And here it's C, here is A, what is remaining? B. Done. There is no need of dot over here actually, because A dot C is a scalar. Alright, this is the formula. Now we are having A cross B vector cross C cross D vector. Alright, now you can take this as E vector cross C vector cross D vector. So what will be the answer? Answer is very simple. It is equals to E dot D into C vector minus E dot C into D vector. Right? Exactly same formula. Now what is E? E is A cross B. अब याद करो what is exactly this? This is A cross B into D vector. Or you can write down this as A dot B is B dot A. So you can also write down this as D dot E, right? So this will be DAB scalar triple product and vector triple product together. Classic example. Now outside it's C, okay? Minus, what is E dot C? It's A cross B dot C whole multiplied. Now this is 0. Why? Read the question. Question says ABC are coplanar. When it is coplanar, remember coplanar scalar triple product is 0. Simple. Scalar triple product coplanar is 0. Okay. So now this is our answer of the cross product. Now they are saying this is equal to 1 by 6 plus this is equal to 1 by 6 I cap plus 1 by 3 j cap plus 1 by 3 k cap. Okay, now what we will do of this? Solve it. What we are having over here? Okay, a angle between A and B is given. So here we are having D vector dot A cross B whole multiply by C vector. We have to get the C vector and we are having exactly same thing. Now they are saying that D is perpendicular to ABC. So angle between, now this is very important. This means this is A, this is A, this is B, this thumb is C and this is D vector. What does it mean? That A cross B is like this and D is also like this. That means A cross B and D is having 0 degree angle. That means this is equal to modulus of magnitude of D into magnitude of A cross B into cos 0 degree is 1. Multiply C vector. Okay, now what is magnitude of D? That we do not know. Let's keep it over here. Now, what is A cross B? Is magnitude of A into magnitude of B into magnitude of B into angle between A and B is 30 degree. So, sin 30 degree is 1 by 2. Okay, so guys, this is the last question. After this question, I want you to solve by yourself. I will continue tomorrow on the same video. Okay, so 5 questions I have done today, 5 questions I will do tomorrow. So D cross this into C is equal to 1 by 6 I cap plus 1 by 3 j cap plus 1 by 3 k cap. What is the magnitude of A and B? Let's read the question again. Unit vectors. They are unit vector. So magnitude of D into 1 into 1 into 1 by 2 into C is equal to 1 by 6 I cap plus 1 by 3 j cap plus 1 by 3 k cap. Now this is general multiplication. Now take mod both the sides because we need to get the value of D. Modulus C is a unit vector, so will be 1. So if I will take mod both the sides, it will be magnitude of D vector by 2 into magnitude of C vector is 1 is equals to under root of, okay, let's do one thing. Let's send this first over there. This is equal to 2 by 6 is 1 by 3 I cap plus 2 by 3 j cap plus 2 by 3 k cap. Okay, so now you will take modulus both the sides. So magnitude of D into magnitude of C is 1 is equal to under root. You are taking modulus both the sides. So 1 by 9 plus 4 by 9 plus 4 by 9, and from here magnitude of D is equals to 1. This is also a unit vector. So going back to this case, if I will use this and if I will use this, I will have the answer C vector is equals to 1 by 3 I cap plus 1 by 2 by 3 j cap plus 2 by 3 k cap. Got the answer? Okay, so we have solved 6 questions today, actually 5 questions, but 5th one is your homework. I want the answer from you of the volume, my bad, the volume. Here a small correction, this is the volume of the parallelepiped, okay. This is the volume of parallelepiped, and here this is volume of parallelepiped. This is the area of quadrilateral, correct part, okay. So now tomorrow we'll be having discussion on the remaining 5 questions. I can show you. You can take the screenshot or you join the Telegram group, which is will be given in next 5 minutes. I will be sharing. But by the time you're watching this video, you will be having the link in the description box. I am also uploading this important question bank, 10 questions on my test series portal, free of cost, guys. Go and attempt today. That's all today. I hope you love the session. And tomorrow we'll continue with another 30-40 minutes we will take and we'll wind up this chapter. Alright, have a good day, guys. See you tomorrow.